One, I first just will say, Joanne, thanks for all your work on the videos. I only watched a little bit of one just to see if I could get in there and check it out, so hopefully I didn't have any problem accessing it. So hopefully everybody else who tried, and some of you have done this before, haven't you? You've done the videos before with Will. No? This is it. This is all new. Okay.
All new.
You're the guinea pig.
I got in, so if I got in, anybody.
You don't know about that.
So
You have to kind of.
because then all these things are always like they're supposed to be easy, and then you start dealing with them, and then there's always something.
There's that glitch.
But I can vouch they do work. The other thing I wanted to and this didn't hit me until this past week here when we didn't meet. I'm doing a workshop here on Saturday on doubles. Now, in the past, I've done a 4-week class on doubles, and this workshop obviously is going to be anywhere as comprehensive as that. Some of you are going to be attending the workshop. We are going to be talking about doubles according to our syllabus the next 2 weeks. While the workshop content and what is on our syllabus is not absolutely identical, there's a significant amount of overlap. So, what I want to ask all of you is do we want to change up any of the content on our doubles? In other words, if we proceed as planned, those of you who are coming to the workshop Saturday are going to get some of the same material, in particular next Thursday. So we can either change it up so that we don't have that duplication, or we can have a little bit of redundancy for extra reinforcement on an important topic. I'm fine either way, and I understand also that if you're not planning on coming to the workshop on Saturday, you're probably like, well, let's just cover what's what's on the schedule. But so I didn't think about what was on the syllabus when I scheduled this workshop, and how they kind of coincide. So does anybody have strong feelings one way or another?
I'm not going to be able to do the Saturday class, so my preference would be keep it as is.
Redundancy isn't bad.
Yeah.
Kurt, could I just suggest that maybe instead of doing the doubles class right after that workshop, that you push it to the end?
That's a great idea.
Well,
So
except that we have a discussion about the end too. We were going to talk about what to do in like that last class or the last couple of classes.
So right now, so after today, we have 4 weeks scheduled. 2 of those weeks were scheduled to be about doubles. The other 2 were totally different. We're going to be dedicated to defense. We could do defense the next couple weeks and then come back to doubles later. On the other hand, I know that the syllabus was crafted, at least to some degree, to try and accommodate different people who are going to be gone at different times over the 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Although I think, I don't know, most of those, I think, were within the first 4 weeks of class, weren't they? I'm looking at you because you know better than I do.
And maybe one missing the fifth. Marion's going to miss one more, but I'm not sure which one it is. But the videos are really kind of bridging that gap.
I'd like
So.
it to stay the same. That'd be my vote.
To follow the syllabus. I'm trying to think, let's see, who do I have? Who's Tom and
Taking the
Marilyn,
class.
and I'm trying to think who. You're planning on coming Saturday. I didn't know it. So I guess that's what I have.
So most of us
3
are not
or maybe.
doing it.
Right.
So I think we should stick to the 3 people.
Right. Yeah, only 3.
Yeah,
I didn't look at the
Okay.
syllabus.
Yeah, and we can tweak it a little bit. I get it's not, I mean, most of my presentations are not exactly the same. We can, I can attack things from a little different angle and use some different example hints and things like that too.
So if I come on Saturday, I can sleep in on Saturday?
Yeah.
And not feel guilty? Is that what?
I guess, yeah. You know, we're starting at 9 on Saturday. We start on at 9 here, so yeah. The same start time, right? So I guess that impacts
Yeah.
sleep the same way, doesn't it? Okay. Well, then we'll try and pretty much stick with what we have, and I'll. All right. So for today, so kind of the theme of what